Good morning, amigos. Right now, where I'm at in Eagleville, Tennessee, it is currently around 9:30 in the morning. I don't exactly remember because I'm using my phone to record. But this is gonna be another daily tip. If you want to make money as a server, and I'm just thinking about it right now because this is literally what I do every single day, and I've done for years. Make sure if a kid or anybody if they leave the bottom of the table dirty, like make sure that you clean it up because you wouldn't think about it, but like people when they go to sit down, I mean just think about when you go to a restaurant, if you go and sit down and you put your feet on the ground under your table, you know what I mean? You sit down, you put your feet down and you feel like a crunch or you feel like the floor is sticky or something like that, automatic bad notation. Even if you're a server or working in a restaurant, you're like, I understand, but still you're like, they should have cleaned that up, you know what I mean? And other people that work in the restaurant, they're like, oh wow, no, they should have cleaned it up. I would have cleaned it up. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? So think about that. Good luck out there, guys. Hope you do good today.